Welcome to Yog Thermal Guru. Many beginners know that a temperature transmitter gives 4 to 20 milliampere output. But the big question is, how does a transmitter actually create this signal? In this video, I will explain the complete process in very simple words, step by step. What enters the transmitter? A temperature transmitter does not directly see temperature. It receives a signal from a sensor. Sensor types. RTD gives resistance change. Thermocouple gives millivolt signal. This sensor signal is very small and weak, so it cannot be sent directly to PLC. Signal sensing inside transmitter. Inside the transmitter, the sensor signal enters the input circuit. Transmitter detects sensor type. Small signal is safely received. At this stage, the signal is still raw and not usable for industry. Signal conditioning. Now the transmitter filters noise, amplifies weak signal, compensates errors, adds cold junction compensation for thermocouple. This process is called signal conditioning. After this step, the transmitter knows the exact temperature value. Temperature to current conversion. Now the transmitter converts temperature into current. Example, 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 4 milliampere. 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 20 milliampere. This conversion is based on range setting, span setting. This is how transmitter decides how much current to send. Why 4 to 20 milliampere is used? Current signal is used because it works over long distance. Noise does not affect it easily. Wire break can be detected. Same signal works for many devices. That's why transmitter creates 4 to 20 milliampere, not voltage. Signal output to PLC. The final 4 to 20 milliampere signal flows through transmitter, cable, PLC input card. PLC reads the current and displays temperature on screen. Simple flow summary. Temperature sensor weak signal. Weak signal transmitter conditioned signal. Conditioned signal 4 to 20 milliampere. 4 to 20 milliampere PLC display. Final conclusion. Remember this. Sensor senses temperature. Transmitter creates the signal. PLC understands the signal. Without transmitter, temperature cannot be reliably sent to control room. If this video helped you, subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru for more easy videos on temperature transmitters, 4 to 20 milliampere RTD and thermocouple. Thanks for watching.